So my kids love this print, and here is why. Every time we're cooking dinner, breakfast, or just want a healthy snack, our kids love to help out. And for some weird reason, especially my son loves cutting vegetables. Instead of handing him a very sharp knife that could potentially hurt him, I thought a printed knife would be a lot safer. And as you can see, this knife cuts and does exactly what it's meant to do. It's very safe compared to a real knife, although you should always have an eye on your kids. I hope to see you in the next one.